Hello everybody, welcome to the Dashboard channel. This week we're taking you out to the town of Hilliard's ultimate car show, and we're going to show you around what's out there and take you out to the car show with us. And this is the car show cam. We're going to take you out to the car show and show you what the car sees, what our car sees as we go to the car show. Anyway, we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
His light will go before ours. You can't tell that car's special till you get up to it. The paint.
Yeah.
Mail's already running. You want to go around back or what?
Yeah, we can go look.
Yeah. Or we could park by that truck down there. I'd kind of like to park with the cruisers, but...
Oh, they're doing something different.
Yeah, I see that.
I wish I could have seen.
Yeah.
I guess we're going to have to come set a camera back here.
Yeah. House here. Can you go around and get over there by the...
By the building there?
Yeah, on the other side of the building, maybe? Since we're not showing, we can park back here. I don't know, it looks like they got it blocked.
Yep.
Yeah. Unless you go through there. Park by the trailer. You want to do that? Park by the trailer, facing this way. And
Okay. I'm thinking.
Oh, he's going around, I think, parked by Greg. You want to follow him?
Yeah, why not?
All right. Well, if this is going to be here, you can park right behind this. Or pull up next to his truck. Let's park right here.
We're blocking the way in, though.
Yeah.
All right.
You need me to get out so you can see where... You don't want you on the sidewalk.
Gordy's back there.
Okay.
I'm doing like this right here.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Just try to back up to it this way.
Okay. So like that?
Pull up that way and then back up to it.
All right.
Got it? Yep. That's good right there.
Can people still get through?
Okay. Yeah, that'll be good.
Okay. Where you want your stands?
Well,
Let me get that.
No, you know they want you to go across that wide piece of concrete over there.
yeah.
Can you back up and let him out or what?
Corvaire's backing up.
Okay. Honey, there ain't nobody in that Corvair.
Behind me.
Oh, okay. All right. I swear Greg needs one of these.
We can give him one.
You can give him this one. But I ain't putting on my seatbelt yet. Lovers didn't win nothing either. I think that's probably why Greg said what he said. They don't have a thing to do with who wins.
Mm-hmm. They've been getting a bad rap.
Yeah.
Hmm?
I know the one lady wants dill pickles. What does Gordy want?
Bread and butter, I think.
I'll bring both.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got enough of those.
Mm-hmm.
Aniston, where you at? Annie! Okay, I see you. I'm here. Pull this start shooting out here. Well, here come my little girl, yeah.
I guess I'll go that way and then come across, get the,
Go around that way?
and then get that one, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
You're rolling.
Stop.
Yep. Right through there.
Mm-hmm. Damn it. Well, they're not in the way of the camera, so. But that is a nice car.
Yeah.
Very nice. Should I give you my sticker? Oh, dang it. Okay. You can't get the legs up. There they go. You have 2.
Yeah, they'll be in by next week.
That be alright?
Yeah, it'll be fine. Just have to stretch it out next time we use the pole camera.
Yeah. That Sims there. He didn't win one either.
Yeah, the usual suspects didn't win today.
Except for Haddock.
Well, admittedly.
Do you want to pull through the drive?
Well, it's gonna turn in right there and go up that way.
Looks like it's kind of blocked. I guess just pull over to the side up here.
I can pull in the drive over there.
You don't need to.
Or I can pull off on the grass.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Pull off on the grass. Hilliard.
Alright guys, we just left the town of Hilliard's Ultimate Car Show. It was a good show, lots of cool cars. There's a couple of pretty awesome cars out there. Just a great show all the way around. We stayed all day, had a good time. Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the town of Hilliard's Ultimate Car Show. There were a ton of awesome cars out there. It was hard to see everything because, you know, we just had them keep coming and keep coming and keep coming. We kept packing them in. Everywhere we could stick a car, we stuck a car to park it in the show. I think once it was all said and done, we had 105, 106 cars, I want to say. It was a great show, great time. The weather wasn't bad. But anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I say on every video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're trying to get to our initial 500 monetization goal. We are at 297. And any help you could be on sharing this video around or liking it or commenting it, get YouTube to distribute it out to people would be great. And we'll see you guys out next week at whatever car show's out there in the Northeast Florida area. So stay tuned.